Hey everyone, welcome and thanks so much for joining me. Today I have a Dollarama haul to show you, and we'll get started right this bag in front of me here. And the first thing we got is this Rapunzel Disney Princess wooden doll, and it is a magnetic doll that is wooden. You can see on the side it's wood, and then these clothes fit on top of the doll so you could dress up the doll. So it comes with a storybook, puzzle, and games, 10 clothing pieces, 1 magnetic doll, and the activity storybook. $4. Yeah, it's very pricey on this. It shouldn't be that much for this, but $4 it is. And I've been looking for this everywhere and I can't find it, so dollar store, $4. Maybe that was a bad buy, but that's okay because we'll compensate that bad buy for some good buys here. And we got some good buys right here. It's a Martha Stewart Valentine's Day card kit. You get 18 cards in here. That's how many it makes. 74 pieces for $2. And inside it tells you got 18 cards and envelopes, 18 sticker seals, and 20 stamped stickers. Martha Stewart stuff at the dollar store. $2 these were each. So I got 2 packs of those so I can make some cards for Valentine's Day. And more Valentine's Day stuff. What is this? Bingo. We got some bingo games, and the reason why I got this is not to play bingo, mind you. It's because of the boards. These are chipboards, and they're kind of strong chipboards that I could use to make my mini albums with. So if you're looking for some chipboards and stuff, you can go to the dollar store and get some bingo games. And they're $2 a piece. And then obviously you could use the other little chipboard pieces here. These are hearts, and they have some other pieces in here. I don't know what they are, probably stickers or something. 16 boards, 192 markers, and 1 calling card. Also, it's a calling card. So it's $2 each for those. And then I got this big book which was $3. And this is Coloring for Tranquility. So I got this to make some like junk journals or something, you know. And they only had 2 kinds. They had this one, and then they had one with animals on it, which I didn't really like because the one with animals gave you a lot of space, like empty white space, and put an animal here and then everything else was empty. I didn't really want that. I wanted full page use of it. $3 for this, which is a good price because some of the smaller books are $4. Go figure. What else is in this bag? Probably something, more stuff here. Okay, so we got some paper craft tags. These were $1. I know you can make them yourself, but I'm kind of lazy that way. So I just bought them myself. You get 10 pieces in each pack. Very simple and easy to add to your album. And then more Valentine's Day stuff. We got some gift tags here. 12 pieces for $1.25. They're all the same. There was no different ones. They're all the same little I guess cardstock pieces, which is cool. It comes with a string too, so you can just add it to your Valentine's book. And is there something else in here? Probably. Oh, yep, there is. Some rhinestone hearts. I got 100 pieces here. These are the small ones. Then they had a medium one with 50 pieces, and then larger ones that were about 18 pieces. And these were $1.50. So just add glue and stick them to your mini albums or cards or whatever. That's it for that one. Let's move on to this one. And here we have some Valentine cards and 60 stickers to go with them, so you could make your own Valentines. And these were $1.50 each. And these are heart-shaped Valentines for this one. And then this one here is this kind, this shape. So moving on, we found some other stickers, Martha Stewart, and these look like little cute little notebook kind of stickers. And here's the backing stickers. It's foam backing or whatever. So these are cute. And then I ended up getting 2 more of these Valentine cards, but these are just the cards, 6 pieces, and just this design. So lots of Valentine stuff at the dollar store. And here we have, what is this? More stickers. Martha Stewart stickers. I love when they have Martha Stewart stuff. I wish they would have Tim Holtz stuff. Alright, so these are all stickers, little mailboxes and little envelopes and stuff. Peel and stick. And then we got some airmail ones here, which I thought are cool. Okay, the light. There we go. And then we got 8, it says 8 pieces of these ones. And these are the tags. So you get 2 of each kind in each set. Which I thought is pretty cool to have these kind of tags. And they're propped up on foam, so they're like 3D things. So moving right along, more Martha Stewart stuff in this bag, empty this bag. And look, we got paper packs, $1.50. They're called mat pads, and you get 24 double-sided sheets in here. And these are the designs you get. And I bought all 3 that were left. There was no more than that, so I bought all of them. I wish they had more. This is all of them, and they're so cute. They're already ready to go, so you don't even have to cut it. Well, I guess these ones you would if you want to make little stamp kind of thingies. So what is the size? Oh, you get 6 foil accent sheets, 6 glossy sheets, and 12 non-accent sheets for a total of 24 sheets. So 6.75 by 4 by 7.5 inches. $1.50 Martha Stewart paper pads, pretty good. Moving right along, I got some craft paper bags I can make a mini album with, and you get 6 pieces in here. So I'm going to try to make a little mini album out of this bag. We're going to see how that turns out. There's a hole in it. I know. We'll figure it out. Next, I bought some scissors. $4 for this whole set of scissors. I had a set already. It's a pink one, and it works very well, so I bought another set. $4 for a whole set was pretty good. Then we have this big box here. It was $4 for the box. I have about 3 of them now. So they're 8.4 liters, 284 ounce, and it comes with a handle, and then these things just pop open so you can lift the lid. So I got them to put all my, I guess I'll use this for Valentine's one, because the Valentine's one, pink, it matches. I'll put all my Valentine's stuff in there. And then I got some of these, I don't know where the other one is, somewhere. And these are mini love notes, and they're just little envelope thingies. They look so cute that you could add to your mini albums or a card or whatever. And then we have another Martha Stewart, and this is an adhesive border pad. I paid $2 for it. Let me turn it this way so you can see. Oh, it's broken. Oh well, it's only the cover. And so each of them here, they're all perforated, so you just take out the border you want and use it for your book or your scrapbooking or whatever. So I guess you get 3 of each design, 3 or 4 of each design. All right, 3 of each design. And then I got some heart-shaped blackboard tags, and they're $1.25. You get 4 pieces in there. And look at they're so cute in the back with the tags. You got more hearts sticking out of that. So great for mini albums. This or some dailies. You want to do a February daily, a Valentine daily, whatever daily. Put it in your daily. Here I got some paper dollies. They had one that was all red and then some design on the red, but I wanted the white with the red because it would make it stand out better. 18 pieces in there, $1.25. And then we got some Project Stack banners by DCWV, and these are burlap ones, and I paid $3 for them. And I thought this was pretty cool. So here's the paper part of it, and then you get the burlap. Burlap designs. You could do whatever you want with it. Just glue that on. You can make banners if you want. They show you what you can do here to make a banner, or you could use it for a mini album. And then we got more Martha Stewart designer paper pads, $4 for these ones. And it doesn't say what it's called, but anyway, you get 24 sheets. They're 12 by 12, 3 foil accent sheets, 6 glossy sheets, and 12 non-accent sheets. And then that's double-sided. And then you have single-sided sheets, 1 full foil sheet, 1 craft paper sheet, 1 postcard sheet with foil accents, for a total of 24 sheets. So there's some that are double. Okay, that's a single sheet. And then these are the double sheets, which are cool because you could use either side. And then of course this is a single sheet here. This one here is a single one. And then a double one again, and then coming to this one. This one is a single sheet. Well, these ones are doubles. Okay. Well, these are so cute. So I got 2 of those. I tried to go get some more, but I don't see any more. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I ended up getting this one here. This by DCWV, $4. Makes 3 projects, it says. So you can make, it says for mini albums. So you got a template sheet, 28 double-sided printed cardstock, 6 foiled craft, 12 printed vellum, and 1 sticker sheet. Includes paper instructions for 2 mini albums and 1 crafted page. Well, alrighty then. There's the instructions, and then you get your vellum sheets here, and then it goes on to the paper, cardstock, and then perforateds, and then sticker sheets and everything in here. And on the back it just shows you what you could do with it. Mini book, gatefold album, or crafted page, like just a regular scrapbook page. So I got 1 of those. And then I ended up getting 2 of these, and these are the script and music notes by DCWV, and this was also $4, and I love the printed papers on these ones. And so here you have some vellum sheets too. So you get 6 sheets with foil on vellum, and then the rest are all just printed cardstock. So 36 sheets in this pack, and they're all single-sided. Sometimes it's good to have single-sided so you don't have to decide which side you want to use, which is good because some sides are good and you want to use both sides, and then you can't. So that way you have to buy 2 paper packs. So I bought 2 of those because I like the design. So here you go. This is everything I got from my Dollarama haul. Valentine's is here, guys. Go out and get your stash now. You can always use it for next year. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.